Tree of Java. Oh, sure, sure. 1 second.
Yeah. So you created the account in Jira.
No, sir, I didn't create it. I didn't get that how to do it. And installation version of JDK. Actually, in this laptop,
So can you write not done hyphen not done?
hmm.
So what was the problem in this to create the account?
See, actually, by taking my husband's help, I don't want to do it. I thought of asking you only how to do it. I didn't get it properly, sir.
Yeah, you can do it right away.
Hmm.
Just take 5 minutes.
Okay.
Go to the browser, right click. Give me 1 minute.
Done it, sir.
Okay, good. So
I'll
if you have
share you
the
the screen. 1 second. This is what I have created now.
right, okay. So let's move to the next one.
This JDK is latest version of JDK is installed, sir. I have done it.
Can you go to
So,
command prompt
huh.
and show me the version? So
uh,
just type CMD, search CMD.
sir, okay. Hmm.
Show me the version, Java version.
So directly we have to type here JDK, right, sir?
No, Java minus version,
Java minus version.
hyphen version.
Okay.
It should be together.
Oh, sorry.
No, no, minus version should be together. So you are all set with JDK. Now
Hmm.
go back.
Oh, sorry. Hmm. This create
So
epics
first,
and stories, I don't
the,
know, sir. What you have told, I didn't get it properly.
I will tell. So first one you mark it as done,
Hmm.
hyphen done. Second one done.
Hmm.
Epics and stories. You didn't understand it.
No, sir. What I have to do, I didn't get
I
it.
will tell you. That's fine. I will tell you. Not done.
Hmm.
Okay. Java overview.
Yeah, that I did, sir.
We'll go through it now.
Hmm.
History of Java, features of Java. You have gone through them, right?
Yes, yes.
So you can quickly give me overview, and then we'll come back to Epic and Story.
Okay, sir. What I have done yesterday is I have written a notes of my own. In that, I understood that regarding the overview of Java, Java is a high
So you can
raw.
open the tutorial.
Okay. Hmm.
You can refer it and you can explain.
Sure, sir. See, what I understood from this is Java is a high, robust, object-oriented, secured, and programming language. That is the definition of Java I got after studying from this one. And Java is a programming language, and as well as it is a platform. So why we call it as a platform is because since Java consists of Java runtime environment and API, it is called as a platform. So here again, what is a platform? I understood that any hardware or software environment where we run a program is called as a platform. And Java runs on many devices. See, sir, I am telling you all from what the notes I have written.
Yeah.
Huh. So Java runs on many devices like in desktop applications, mobile applications, web applications, smart cards, robotic and embedded systems and games. So there are different types of Java applications. So
Scroll
there are
down. Scroll down.
hmm,
So be on the topic which you are trying to check.
sure, sure. Sir, this I didn't go through regarding this Java example because I am not familiar with this class simple or public static void, so I didn't go with that one. Hmm. Okay. And this one. So we are having four types of Java applications. One is standalone, the second one is web application, and the third one is enterprise application and mobile application. After this, what I understood about the standalone application is it is a desktop or a window based application. Means we have to install it on each and every machine. So for this, the examples I have quoted is media player, the photos we will have, the Google antiviruses, spreadsheets, web browsers, etc. And also, when coming to the web applications, they are used to create websites. It runs on the server side. So it runs on the server side, but I don't know what is this currently servlet, JSP, Strut, Springs, Kubernetes. I know only HTTP and HTML, sir. So I didn't understand what are all these things like Spring and Kubernetes. But I know their names, but what is that exactly? What that will happen? I don't know.
We'll see them.
Okay. Next one is enterprise application. They are distributed in nature and operates in corporate environment. Like I know it is a banking application. Mostly we will be doing in the corporate, and in corporate sector we will going with the HR, payrolls, everything like that. And coming to the mobile applications, they are created exclusively for our mobile devices. So for this, the example I know is Spotify, Netflix, Android. These are the examples I have quoted. Hmm. And next, coming to this additions, these additions, I have given a study, but I don't know what is that exactly in this one. This Java Enterprise Edition, it is there, no, sir. It is used for development of web and enterprise applications like that. They
One
have
minute.
given.
1 minute.
Hmm.
Yeah. What is the question, Aparna?
So this thing is that I came to understand that this Java Standard Edition that will include some APIs, but I don't know they have given such as Java.lang. These all I don't know, so I stopped there, sir.
So I will explain. So you do one thing.
Hmm.
Open one more tab.
Hmm.
Search Java doc.
Java doc.
Yeah. Enter.
Hmm.
Now open this API doc. Java API doc.
Shall I write it as in another window,
No, no.
sir?
Click on Java API doc. This below, above.
This one?
Below one link is there. No? Java API doc.
Java. This one.
Just above that.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, here. Uh-huh. This one, sir. Hmm.
Okay. So
Hmm.
these all are the packages, modules.
Okay.
In the left side,
Hmm.
java.base, java.compiler, come
Hmm.
down in that list.
Okay.
These are all modules.
Okay.
Okay. Click on Java AC Standard Edition. JDK. See, these all packages are there.
Hmm.
Click on AC again. So these all packages belong to Java Standard Edition.
Okay.
So if you come a little bit down, scroll down, see Java.SQL, Java.xml.
Hmm.
So these are very popular packages you use, and this is for the core Java.
Okay.
Okay, so standard edition basically includes the core Java.
Okay.
Okay.
So what we will do with these things, sir? Like you have shown me that JavaScripting, why we will use them?
Yeah.
What is the basic purpose
So
of
these are
them?
the standard libraries and classes which you will
Okay.
use inside your Java program.
Okay.
So for example, let's say you want to connect to the database. Okay.
Okay.
So
Hmm.
Java provides a standard libraries and classes which you
Mhm.
need to use to connect to the database.
Okay.
And you want to query, for that you have class. To update data, for that you have a class method. So those
Okay.
all standard class methods are there in standard libraries.
Okay.
So let's say you need a collection, you want to store the data in a string or any other collection object. So those
Hmm.
standard classes are available in this standard edition libraries.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Then similarly, you need to check for enterprise edition. When say, so in the
Okay.
enterprise edition, basically you have all Java J2E packages.
Okay.
Uh,
Hmm.
Click on others.
Click on others.
Yeah, other modules.
Okay.
Don't have. So you do on the search again. In the open another tab. Search a servlet doc. Servlet.
Servlet. Okay.
SERV.
Mm-hmm. Got it.
Yeah, open this. Click on frames.
Frames.
Second row. You can follow this frame, it will be helpful.
Okay.
Okay. So in the first frame box, scroll down, all packages, classes and packages. Scroll down, no, in the left side, menu bar,
This one.
list of all packages.
So
So
all packages shall I scroll down, sir?
yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
Gradually scroll down. See, these packages are with Java X.
Okay.
Okay. See, you have the EJB related packages.
Hmm.
Before you had API related packages.
Hmm.
Come down. Enterprise packages.
Okay.
Coming down.
Faces. Inject.
And
Intercept.
call out. Mail.
Yeah.
Persistence. Resource. Security. Servlet. So you have this servlet, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Under servlet again you have JSP.
Hmm.
Coming down. The validation. Trap. Web service or WS. XML. Coming down. Yeah. So these all packages basically are enterprise edition, or these are all server side components. So
Okay.
all Java server side component are done using these packages.
Okay.
So this is why if you see, this is called Java Enterprise Edition.
Okay.
Okay, so first one is standard edition, that is a
Oh.
core Java,
Hmm.
and enterprise edition is for server side.
Okay.
So at certain time when you become experienced, you need to know about all these packages and you need to know what all different classes are there.
Okay.
So when you have to write a program, let's
Hmm.
say you need to develop a program where you need to build a servlet, then you have to
Okay.
use this servlet package. Go
Hmm.
up, go see that servlet package.
Hmm.
You click on javax.servlet.
Java X dot servlet. This one.
Yes. Now see under that servlet what all different classes interfaces you have. So many.
Hmm. Hmm.
Come down. You have these
Classes.
many classes.
Okay.
and then you have enums, then you
Okay.
have exceptions. So
Okay.
under every package, you will have these four categories of classes.
Mhm. Okay.
Now, if you see here, few popular classes will be using like generic sublet,
Hmm.
multipart config element, okay,
Hmm.
sublet input stream, output stream. So these all are a very popular classes we use.
Okay.
Okay. But nowadays, our frameworks are so advanced that you don't have to write the raw code.
Hmm.
So frameworks are using this raw code already, and they
Hmm.
have given us user-friendly packages and framework, libraries.
Hmm.
That is why you may not be needing to go through this thing in detail,
Okay.
but you need to have certain concept which I will walk you through whenever it is required.
Okay.
Since for me, I started when Java was evolving in '98 when 2.0 was released.
Hmm.
That time I am learning Java. So
Okay.
at least till 2005 also we used to write raw code using this all.
Hmm.
But after that, I mean, evolution is such that all frameworks are providing all ready-made libraries and classes, so we don't need to write raw code.
Okay.
But you need to learn these concepts, so only then only you can become a good programmer.
Okay, sir.
Now, similarly, let's take one more example. Go to the standard edition document, the left side.
Here?
No, another tab. First time you had opened, no?
Yeah. This one.
Yes. So go
Hmm.
to Java SE standard edition, okay? And then here I will tell you, uh, come down, coming down. So Java, I'll call out few APIs. When you see the recording, you should open them and should explore them.
Okay.
Java.sql, come down.
Ja. Chalo.
Not now, not now, come down.
Hmm. Hmm.
No, scroll down. You don't have more here.
No.
So you should open it in a this format. Click on index.
Index. Hmm.
I think it is not in the frame format. You need to open it in a format. Let's do one thing. Open one more tab. The JDK8 API doc.
JDK API dot.
8.
JDK 8, sir.
JDK8 API doc.
Sorry, sorry. API doc.
Okay. Enter. First one. So in this frame format, you can open your JDK11 also. It will be
Hmm.
easy to explore. So now in the first frame box, scroll. You have java.applet that you scroll down. Okay. Come down further. See java.lang. Go up little bit.
Yeah.
Click on the java.lang.
This one?
Yes.
Hmm.
Okay. So interesting classes are here. So you have
Yeah.
this, appendable, you have clonable, iterable, all such classes. Then all the classes related to your data types,
Hmm.
character, boolean,
Byte.
all those classes are here. Long,
Hmm.
math, come
Hmm.
down further. These all enums you have. Then all
What is meant by enum, sir? It's also a class like that.
what is meant by what?
Enums.
Yeah, it is also
Wow.
class. So
Okay.
I will teach you the
Hmm.
definitions later. And for exceptions, you have all different types of,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah.
So any Java programmer for any Java programmer, it is mandatory that he knows all different types of packages and classes which are ready-made available.
Okay.
This is This is like a tool.
Okay.
For example, one plumber will have certain tools like
Hmm.
hammer and cutter, right?
Hmm.
Similarly, electrician will have certain tools.
Hmm.
Same way, one Java programmer needs to know these are tool for a Java programmer.
Okay.
Whenever you write any program, you have to use, this is mandatory, any one of these packages you will be using.
Okay.
So this is your tool. So you have to master on.
Okay.
You may not need to by heart and remember everything, but you need to go through them, understand the concept, so that
Hmm.
whenever you are trying to implement something, you need to come back to this documentation and you need to choose what is the right class you need to use.
Okay.
Okay? I'll show you one more important package. Go up,
Hmm.
cross that lang, no, packages.
Okay.
So lang package, very important.
Hmm.
Come down. NIO is there, but you may not need, not now. RMI is important. Security is important. SQL. So when you database connections and all you do, so SQL you have to use.
Hmm.
Text formatting, text you have to use. All time related, you have to use this. So when you have to do the time formatting, you have to use this. Then your utility classes, java.util. Click on java.util. So this is one very, very important package you
Hmm.
have to master. This
Okay.
collection, okay,
Compare.
comparator, deck, enumeration, then list, map. Okay. So these all collections are here.
Hmm.
These all collection gradually you have to learn.
Okay.
Yeah. Then you have the classes. So those are interfaces. These are classes.
Okay.
So these are very, see, map, hash map. So all those important classes which you will use in a day-to-day life in Java, those all
Okay.
are here only.
Okay.
Come down.
So in coming our sessions, we will be learning all these things in our classes. Huh?
Yes, yes.
Oh.
So enums and exceptions. So these everything is in this. So
Hmm.
these all things you have to do it, but it won't come in a day. That is why you will
Oh.
require at least 6 months to
Okay.
learn all this.
Hmm.
Okay, and
Okay.
ठीक है. Just I gave you an overview for you are asking J2SE and J2E. So this is the difference. Using J2SE, you do core Java programming, and using J2E, you do enterprise edition programming. That is server side programming.
Okay.
Yeah. Now you can go back to your tutorial and show me the next.
Hmm.
Then so
This.
1 and 2 is clear, right?
Yeah.
And then Java micro edition.
It is used for. It is exclusively dedicated to mobile applications. That I understood.
Right. And then Java
Rich.
FX.
It is for internet applications. The rich internet applications uses a lightweight user interface API. This I understood, sir.
Right.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Done,
Let's
sir.
move on. So that covers all those three topics.
This one is the first topic, like overview of Java is covered. So what is Java is covered, and next comes to the history of Java. In history, as an overview, I understood that James Gosling is father of this Java, and in 19 early 19s he has started with the name of Oak, and later on he's changed it to the name to this Java in 1995. This is the overall thing he had uh, told, sir, in this one. And like they said, what is oak? Oak means it's a strength, and later because he likes this coffee bean, its name is Java, so he named it as Java. This is what the overview I have understood from this one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah. You have gone
Shall I
through the text, right?
Yes, yes. Hmm.
So
I didn't spend much time on this history, sir, because I don't think it is much needed. So as an
no,
overview I have studied.
it is needed because it is
Hmm.
only one time you are doing now. You
Yeah,
can
yeah,
keep
yeah.
doing it again and again. But the
Hmm.
many terminologies which it has, like for example, let's say in
Hmm.
this text, the principles of creating Java programming were simple,
Hmm.
robust, portable,
Hmm.
platform independent. See, so many good terminologies are there.
This is what that came in features of Java. There, I didn't understand what is this up to high performance. It is fine, sir, but this multi-thread, architectural neutral, I didn't get it properly. So that's why I stopped near features of Java.
No. So why you need to do is, you
Hmm.
will, when you read first time, you will at least
Hmm.
know the word that okay, this
Yeah,
is
yeah.
something called multi-threading. And
Hmm.
next time when you come, at least you will try to understand what is multi-threading.
Yes.
When third time you come, then you will try with multi-threading programming.
Hmm.
Like that, you gradually have to learn. That is why
Oh,
reading is very important. Don't leave it, because there is certain intention. That is why I told you to read it.
sure, sure. No, I have given a reading of 2 times, sir. But overview, I've told you that I understood from this these things.
Okay. No, if you, that's what I was asking. You have read it, that's fine.
Yeah, yeah, I read it, sir.
Okay. Now
Whatever
go
you
up.
told, I didn't leave. I read everything. Yeah.
Then features of Java.
Oh, service are not available. I don't know, sir, why it is not moving. Everything is fine, sir, but I don't know why it is not moving here. Even I am.
Maybe a problem in their application. In this, come down a little bit.
Uh, uh,
Refresh the page or open.
sure. I don't know, sir, why it is happening like that. Hmm.
Copy the
Yeah,
URL.
got it.
Just come now.
Got it, sir. Yeah.
Go ahead.
Hmm. So from this, I understood that there are around 12 features of Java, and in that one is simple, and then second one is object oriented, portable, platform independent. I have prepared the notes for that. So simple means it is easy to learn. Syntaxes are easy. Mostly the syntaxes here we are using in Java is based on C++, and also the other feature I have seen in this one is that there is a garbage collector in Java. So in the backend, whenever we have an unused memory or unreferenced object, that will be automatically removed by using this garbage collector in Java. This I understood from simple, sir. Next one is object oriented. We see object oriented is mainly that we get a high security here. It simplifies the software development and maintenance. And also this I understood that object oriented means we organize our software as a combination of different types of objects that incorporate both data and behavior. This I understood from object oriented. And this all these basic concepts of OOPS are like object, class, interference, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation. I thought maybe in the coming classes we'll be getting familiar with this one.
Yeah, we'll go in detail.
That's why I didn't go in detail here. Just I studied what is object class like that. Next to the platform independent, this I wrote like Java can Java code is sorry sir, Java is a Aura, like write once and reuse, run anywhere. So Java is a software platform that runs on the top of other hardware based platforms. Java code is compiled by the compiler and converted into the bytecode. So this is what I understood, and means see why we will call it as the Java will have the runtime environment and the API, so that's why we will call it as a platform also. So
Mhm.
this I understood from this platform independence. And one more thing is that we can use Java anywhere, like on Windows, Linux, or any operating system. We can use this Java. compared to the .NET will be user like only. I mean, I have searched, sir. They have given a comparison like on .NET between .NET and Java. I understood that .NET will be with the Microsoft frameworks, but Java we can use it anyway. This I understood from that one.
What?
And security means Java is best for its security. So Java is secured because no explicit pointer. See, pointer means directly what we will be using on the memory, sir.
Yeah, and we have a concept of pointer in C, C++. So
Yeah.
the all the memory management happens with pointer. Okay.
Okay.
So
That.
we have to handle the memory, like we have to occupy the memory, and then
Mm,
we have to create all our resources within the memory, and we have to process it. But in Java,
okay.
we don't have to handle with memory. It automatically allocates the memory when we create objects.
This I got it, sir. So, like class loader in Java is a part of Java runtime, which is used to load Java classes into the Java machine dynamically.
Hmm.
This I understood, sir. But bytecode verifier, like I didn't get here, sir. What is it? It checks the code fragments for illegal code that can violate access rights to object. Means
So,
what
so
I
have you seen what
understood.
is the bytecode anytime?
No, sir, I didn't see.
We'll see that. So when you compile one Java program,
Hmm.
so that
Hmm.
file format is file name dot Java, right?
Hmm.
After you
Hmm.
compile, then it will create file name dot class.
Okay.
So that file name dot class, what is generated, that is inside
Hmm.
that you have bytecode. And if
Hmm.
you open that, you will see some junk characters are there.
Okay.
So
Hmm.
that junk characters or that is that bytecode, when you try to
Hmm.
run, it is being
Hmm.
verified by the runtime environment before it
Hmm.
goes in the memory.
Hmm.
Okay, so that is what it is telling. And if that junk character, if you change something, if I create a problem in the memory, right, it will identify that it is
Hmm.
not a good code, then it will read.
Okay.
So that is called bytecode verifier.
Right. This one I got it, sir. Security means it
So these,
determines.
see, these are terminologies.
Hmm.
Why important? When next time when you write the real-time Java program, right, and I will
Ah.
explain you that
Hmm.
process, how the bytecode is created, how it is loaded in the memory, how
Hmm.
the Java threads are working, right? That time when
Okay.
I tell, then it will be easy for you to understand.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but if
Okay.
you miss these terminologies now in the
Hmm.
starting, then later
Hmm.
on it will be difficult for you to understand.
Okay, sir.
So don't miss
Yeah.
chapter by
Sure.
chapter everything you read. At least once you have to. Okay.
Yeah, sure, sir. So next to the security manager, what I understood it is determine what resources a class can access, such as reading and writing to a local disk. How the reading and writing will go on in the local disk? That is a security manager. That I understood. So robust is means like it uses a strong memory management. Lack of pointers, as I said before, like it is related to memory, so it avoids directly that. It avoids directly the pointers so that the memory cannot be crashed. This I understood, sir. There is a lack of pointers means.
Mhm.
Exemption handling and the type of checking mechanism in Java. All these points make Java robust. Automatical garbage collection, I understood, sir.
Okay.
But I didn't get what is this architectural neutral means. No implementation dependent features. For example, size of primitive types is fixed. That I didn't get, sir. This I understood in C programming. Like we'll be having int data type occupies 2 bytes of memory for 32-bit architecture. However, it occupies 4-bit means what is the memory it will be occupying in 64-bit architecture. Uh, this is like memory allocation. I thought it's. Am I correct or not? I don't know.
Yeah, I think it is related to that only. So in Java, all the primitives, whatever is created, right? So
Hmm.
since they are being converted into bytecode and that bytecode runs in the runtime environment, the
Hmm.
runtime environment can identify based
Hmm.
on the conversion it is done already. Because in
Okay.
different platform, we can install the different runtime environment. Okay, so
Okay.
it identifies. But in case of C, C++, you do
Hmm.
not have a platform or a JDK kind of environment or runtime environment. So
Okay.
your low level machine or the it does not understand. So
Okay.
whatever variables or whatever primitives you have related to this 32-bit or 64-bit, it has to be specific, and then it can run on those specific type of machines only.
Okay. So primitive means here this
Primitive, just
data type.
sometimes back I showed you the classes, right?
Uh-huh.
That lang package. So
Yeah.
string, int, all those will be in the class format. But when you write a program, all the
Hmm.
data types you will have a primitive data type.
Okay.
So I will go through those in detail. What is
Sure,
primitive
sir.
data type? What is yeah.
This I understood that it facilitates you to carry the Java bytecode to any platform. That bytecode will be, it does not require any implementation. So, like you said, it will be like a library that we can carry to any platform.
I mean, yeah, you will use the libraries only, code
Uh,
Java libraries, and using the
mm,
library you write the code, but you don't have to write separate code for separate platform. You will write the
mm,
same code, and when you are that is converted into bytecode, this
mm,
bytecode will be transformed
mm,
into different format based on different
mm.
runtime environments. So
Okay.
runtime environment will identify it accordingly based on
Okay.
the type of operating system it has in the backend.
Mm. High performance means I understood that Java is more faster than other interpreted programming languages. So uh, the when in C and C++, the compiled languages is very slow, but here the Java it's very high. As we know that it is a robust means there will be an uninterrupted performance of the Java. So that I understood, sir. But wherever I am reading, I got struck with this bytecode only, sir. With
Hmm.
I
I'll
don't know
show you the
properly.
example. I'll show you.
Hmm. Distributed means we can use it on any platform. Like as I said previously, distributed applications mean we can go for banking applications like that. Distributed in Java, RMI, EJB are used for creating. This is a feature of Java enables us to access files by calling the methods from any machine on the internet. So multi-threading, I studied it, sir, but I didn't get it properly. What is
Yeah,
that?
I'll explain. We can
Okay. Dynamic means it's a dynamic language. It supports dynamic loading of classes. It means classes are loaded on demand. It also suffers functions from its native language. All this terminology, I didn't get it, sir.
Which terminology?
This one, dynamic language. Dynamic language, I understood. Dynamic loading of classes means I didn't get
So
it. It
let's
means
say you
class.
have 10 classes in a project. Okay.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
when you basically run that application, okay.
Okay.
So that time all classes will not be loaded into the JVM memory.
Okay.
So when you use particular class, you have a action, call that particular class or method. That time only that class will be loaded.
Okay.
Okay. But
Mhm.
in case of C and C plus, what happens? The entire project is loaded into the memory first.
Okay.
Then only it works.
Okay, sir. This one is Java supports dynamic compilation and automatic memory management. This I got it, sir. Finished, sir. Hmm.
Back to your task list. We have covered this. Now, for create account, okay, on Jira, you'll have activities. You have to create the epics and stories, right? That
Yeah.
Mark has done, not done.
No,
That
sir.
you have to do. So
Hmm.
what you have to do is based on the every topic which you have in that tutorial, you have to
Hmm.
create one epic. So do you know how to
Okay.
create any epic?
No, sir. I don't know.
So write down a task, watch the video, and learn how to create epic and stories. So I will provide you video.
Hmm.
You need to watch them and then
Hmm.
create them. Okay, so that is
Okay.
the next task.
Hmm.
And then once you create them,
Hmm.
one thing I showed you the documentation for J2AC and J2E,
Ah, yes, sir.
right?
Yeah.
So figure out 10 important packages in
Hmm.
J2AC and 10 important packages in J2EE. Okay, and what
Okay.
are the classes are there? Just explore them.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
This one, right? J2SE means Java SE and
Standard
JDKD.
edition. No, you open the other two tabs. That will be easy to understand. In the frame
Hmm.
format.
1 second. This is servlet.
Yeah, this is J2EE,
Hmm.
and the next one is J2S.
J2S.
One more tab.
Hmm.
It is J2S. So this is very
Okay.
important for before you go for programming. So any 10 packages you can search in Google. Say
Hmm.
10 important packages in J2SE and 10 important packages in J2EE.
Sir, I'll make a note, sir. 10 important packages in J2SE
10 important packages in J2EE.
E.
Uh,
This I have to study, sir.
yeah.
Any 10.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Under those packages, what is the class, enum, exception, interface, whatever is there, you need to study and
Hmm.
make a no documentation. Every package, what all different classes and all that. There. You
Okay.
don't need to write everything, just important ones.
Sure, sir. Only these two, sir.
Yeah, you do
Anything
this, and then I will tell you what next you have to do. Go to the
also?
tutorial,
And also, you will be sharing me a video to do this create epics and stories, right, sir?
and you have to create all the epics and stories so that you will
Sure,
have
sir.
a concept around the complete books.
Okay, sir. This
Okay.
is the tutorial.
Yeah, that's all for today. Once
You
you are
ask.
done, you ping me, then I will let you. And video, give me some time. I will ping you the video links.
Sure, sir. You asked me to open this tutorial.
So in this, yesterday actually I had explained that all the orange colors items are your epic,
Okay.
and under that, what our topics are there, those are your stories.
Okay, sir. Hmm. Okay, sir. Once you share the link, I'll try to do it, sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
thanks.
Okay.